there, Nature Chiefs. Welcome again to Nature Chief. Today, I actually got onto the bus to come to show you guys some really great nature. But I actually fell asleep at one point on the bus and I ended up here. And I actually don't know where this is. So I'm going to go and try and look for something to tell me where I am and maybe find you guys some great nature to show to you. Excuse me, could you tell me where there's some nice nature around here? Like a park or something like that? Or some trees maybe? Something like that? Okay, thank you. No, she didn't know where there's nature. Excuse me, sir. Can you tell me where is the nature?
Where is the
nature?
The nature?
The nature.
I'm not sure.
You don't know?
That's somebody else.
Down this way, thank you. I'm going to look down this way, he said.
It's here, behind you.
Oh look, Nature Chiefs, it's Mr. Gangbang Style. It's actually quite an interesting place, isn't it, Nature Chiefs? If you look around, you can see there's lots of interesting colors and things like that. But I still have no idea where I am, so I'm going to try looking in this place, the underground, and see if I can get any information about where I am.
What's coming up?
So Nature Chiefs, now I'm down here in the underground, and it turns out this is where I can get a train to another part of this place. So I'm going to go somewhere what sounds like it has really nice nature. And guys, I found this one, Wood Green. So let's try going there and see if they have some great nature.
This is Bond Street. Change here for the Jubilee line.
Excuse me, mate. Do you know where I can find some really nice nature around here? Like some trees and grass or something like that? Over there? Oh, thank you. Thank you very much. Yes, Nature Chiefs, I'm pretty sure I've definitely found Wood Green. Guys, it looks like I finally found some great nature in this place. So I can finally have some fun. Thank you for watching and happy nature, guys.